Another system solution by Henkel Adhesives Technology. Bonding of glass doors in microwaves with Loctite, SI5619AB, and Sonderhoff dosing machine technology. Inserting the glass panes into the microwave doors. Sliding table moves to the dosing position. Application of Loctite, SI5619AB, a fast-curing two-component silicone structural adhesive with low viscosity. Loctite, SI5619AB, flows into the groove and creates a perfect, seamless bond due to its self-leveling properties. The result is a perfect bond with an aesthetic that requires no covering. Loctite SI5619AB has good adhesion to porcelain-coated metals, steel and stainless steel, as well as sarin glass, polycarbonate, and ABS surfaces.